even when you mean it kind. I've already heard the point twice before you raised it again. I'm not made of thicker skin, I'm just better at staying still. I don't need the echo, I don't need the proof. I believe you, I'm just tired too. Lower your voice, not because I'm afraid, because everything loud already had its say. Lower your voice, I'm still right here. I just don't have room for another sharp year. You talk like volume is truth, like softer means you might lose. But I've been losing quietly long before tonight found me. I'm holding the evening together with hands that shake when they rest. If I ask you to come down a notch, it's the last thing I have left. I know you're hurt, I can hear it underneath, but pain doesn't disappear just because it's loud and free. If you want me to stay, meet me where I am. I'm closer to breaking than making a stand. Lower your voice, I'm still listening, even when I look closed, even when I blink. Lower your voice, this isn't goodbye, it's me asking for mercy without learning to cry. Say it slow, say it small, I'm here. Morning slips in through the blinds like it's asking permission. I count the dust in the air just to feel something real. The day doesn't need me heroic, it only needs me awake. So I lace up my hours slowly and let the quiet stay. I don't need a banner, I don't need a sign. If I'm still standing here, I'm doing fine. I'm small and breathing, that's how I know. I didn't vanish overnight or fold into the cold. I'm small and breathing, still in my skin. If this is all I ever prove, it's enough to live in. The world keeps raising its voice, like louder means true. But I've learned how to listen to what stays when it's through. I walk the same stretch of sidewalk, same crack by the tree. It remembers my footsteps, even when I forget me. I don't need a headline, I don't need a flame. If I can say my own name, I'm the same. I'm small and breathing, that's how I know. I didn't disappear into the undertow. I'm small and breathing, still holding on Your shoes by the door facing out, like you planned your exit carefully. The room is quiet, but it's not empty. Every surface keeps remembering you. I tell myself this is just a pause, but the clock keeps choosing sides. I'm not asking you to come back, I'm just standing where you were. It's still warm where you let go, like your name just left the air. I don't reach, I don't follow, I just notice you were there. I won't call this unfinished, I won't say I was wrong. It's only proof we were real, if it's still warm. The mug you use is rinsed and clean, but I swear it knows your mouth. Funny how the smallest things get louder when they're by themselves. I've been practicing acceptance, like a language I half know. I don't need another ending, I just need a moment true. It's still warm